We're at that time, starting to get hot, capacitors go out. This one, a little bit rusty, but it tells you right here the readings. 40 by 5, 40 for the compressor, 5 for the condenser motor. Couldn't get readings for it. This one is brand new, 50 by 5. MFD, set it to MFD, and then you're gonna check from, and it tells you here, Herms compressor, C is common, and then F for fan. So when you want to check if they're good, you set your 2 leads here, and it's gonna pick up a reading. $51, that's good. And then you check it to common, to fan, 5.